Imagine learning sports medicine from world-class faculty, presenting your research at an international conference, and exploring the wonders of Indonesia, all in just 15 days. Organized by the Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, UPI INSPIRE 2026 is a blended international summer program, connecting students and young researchers from across the globe. The program begins online, with lectures on sports medicine, guided research projects, and international student presentations, all from wherever you are in the world. In Bandung, participants dive deeper, hands-on workshops in sports medicine and research excellence, and participation in the International Conference on Physiological Sciences and Sustainable Development. Conference participation is fully included, free of charge for all UPI INSPIRE 2026 participants. Beyond the classroom, Bandung welcomes you with vibrant culture, cool mountain air, and unforgettable city life. Then we head to Lombok, where the highlands of Sembalun await. Discover the authentic Sasak culture, traditional villages, hand-woven crafts, and a community preserving its heritage for generations. At Mandalika, participants give back through free health screenings, elderly exercise programs, and health education for local communities. And then, Gili Trawangan, crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and a sunset you will never forget. Join students from around the world for an experience that goes beyond the classroom. UPI INSPIRE 2026, global learning, cultural discovery, and the wonders of Indonesia. Apply now at fk.upi.edu. Limited seats available.